Hi, everyone. Tess here, the Treasure Coast Medium. I wanted to talk a little bit about the Akashic Records and exactly what that is. The Akashic Records are considered to be, in other religious traditions, the Hall of Records. And by definition, it is the sum of all your soul's experiences and emotions over the course of all your lifetimes. So it's chronicles of you. And we all have access to our own records. And we go there in a guided experience where you will meet the Lord of the Records and other light beings. They will help you while you're there at the Hall of Records. They'll escort you to the information you're looking for, if there is anything in particular you're seeking knowledge of. But it's not the going to the records or the records themselves that we find healing. The healing comes from our understanding of our soul's records, of our troubles, tribulations, what we came to overcome in each lifetime. And it gives meaning sometimes to struggles we have. But even more importantly than that, we find self-compassion in reading your Akashic records. You realize that there is really a purpose to the struggles that you've had, particularly in this lifetime. So there's a lot of discovery, but there's a lot of healing that takes place too. People that have done this have told me that they've been spontaneously healed while in the Hall of Records. And I've known this to be so myself. So I hope you join me